In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the creation date of your LinkedIn profile. This can be really useful if you want to track your digital footprint, see how long you've been active on LinkedIn, or simply look back on when your professional journey began. So let's jump right in. First, sign into your LinkedIn account. It's pretty straightforward. Open your web browser, navigate to LinkedIn, and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see the Me icon. That's your profile picture, located on the top navigation bar. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you want to select All, Settings, and Privacy. Now, if you haven't explored this section before, don't worry. It's full of helpful tools and information about how LinkedIn manages your data and privacy. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy area, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice several menu options listed there. Click on Solid Data Privacy. This is where LinkedIn stores details about how your data is used and managed, and it's a crucial step to discover more about your account. As you scroll through this section, keep an eye out for the option that says How LinkedIn Uses Your Data, and click on it. You're getting closer to uncovering when your LinkedIn journey officially began. Under this option, you'll want to select Manage Your Data and Activity. This page contains a comprehensive record of your LinkedIn data, everything from your activity history to essential account details. It's basically your LinkedIn timeline, showcasing how your profile has evolved over time. As you make your way through this section, you'll eventually come across the exact date your LinkedIn account was created. It's always interesting to see the point at which you officially joined the platform and began building your professional network. Knowing your creation date is not just a fun fact, but can also be valuable for tracking your career development over time. And there you have it. That's how to find out when your LinkedIn profile was created. It's a simple process that gives you a unique insight into your professional journey and helps you maintain control of your digital presence. While you're still in the privacy and data settings, take a few extra minutes to explore the other options available. You might discover additional tools and settings that can enhance how you manage your information on LinkedIn. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future LinkedIn tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy networking.